In this guide, I'll show you how to turn on and adjust the HDR settings on your PS5 to optimize the video quality of your games. So the first thing you want to do is select the settings cogwheel in the top right corner. From here, you want to scroll down in settings and select screen and video. Then you want to go to video output on the left side and scroll all the way down to the bottom. And just beneath color is where you're going to see HDR. Now you want to ensure this is on always on or on when supported. And once you've done that, you want to go to Adjust HDR. Now that's going to bring you to this page where you want to use the D-pad on your controller to go up or down for the brightness and darkness. And you essentially want to get it so you can barely just see the sun image to the left. And once you've done that, you just want to press X on your controller and repeat the process until you have it perfect for your TV. So once you've managed to complete this process, you'll now have the best HDR settings for your setup, giving you the best colors for your games. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.